Hey guys, I'm Sheenam Inferno and welcome back to Infernal Basics. Eyebrows frame your face and a look can never be complete without perfect brows. So let's get closer and learn how to complete every look. Let's learn how to do brows. Most of the popular brow products can be divided into three categories: brow gels, pencils, and shadows. If you're looking for the Instagram perfect brows, brow gel is the way to go. They will take care of everything. A crisp, clean shape, gap fills, and day-round longevity. They have endured my swimming sessions every time, and my brows have never failed to look perfect. Brow pencil is good for gap fills, whilst giving you some shape. They are perfect if you are a teen and for high school, where you want a little bit of something, but you still want your brows to look natural. Shadows are the easiest and the fastest way to get the job done, but they have never been my choice as they simply lack enough result and endurance. A very slim angled brush will be the easiest for a beginner at brows if you plan to use brow gel like me. A flat brush will be great to clean out the edges with concealer and make them even more sharp.
Shivers run through my spine.
It's absolutely necessary to groom the brows and area around before we progress with cosmetics to alter or perfect them. Go with whatever suits you best, whether it's threading, plucking, or waxing. Since the time I started making videos, I've learned how to do them myself because I need them to look groomed every day, and plucking and waxing has been my holy grail. The knowledge of these 3 points will help you not only with makeup, but also while grooming and shaping them. These 3 points are not only for an art brow, but a guide as to where they should begin, bend, and end with any form you do.
I know you can set me free. Burning down all my past, living in.
Brushing your brows upwards before you begin will reveal your natural shape. That will be your foundation as you draw them out. If you are a beginner, it will help to start from the center rather than the front of the brow, as you might not know how to handle too much color or pressure, and it will ultimately make the brow look unprofessional and very fake. The aim is to outline the brow and go ahead with it with short and slow strokes. I use a taupe color for my brow. Don't go with a very deep color unless you don't naturally have deep brows, as it's difficult to handle dark gel shades if your technique is not on point. Of course, deep colors are more likely to look fake, but I believe with the right technique and personality, any color can be star. Once you have outlined and filled the rest of your brow, use whatever color is left on your brush to drag and fill the front of the brow. This is one of the simplest ways to ensure that your brows look natural and done up at the same time, whether you are good at makeup or not. Also remember that all this while I have drawn closely along the original shape of my brow.
I usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, all makes you desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with her hormones. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Brushing the brows after filling them helps to distribute the product evenly. perfecting their appearance even more. Concealer is very helpful in erasing your mistakes, cleaning up the wobbly edges, and making the brows look very sharp and precise. A very important bullet point is to not go crazy with your concealer, like on Instagram videos. A thick line of concealer looks very appealing and transformative in videos, but in reality, you just don't need as much. The amount of concealer you can easily buff in your skin with your flat brush is a good measure of how much you should use. A brow gel holds itself pretty well, but if you are gifted with long, thick brows, you can set and control them with a brushing off a clear brow gel. In Infernal Basics, I promote the techniques and not the brands, and therefore I don't list the brand names on screen. But as always, all the products will be listed down in the description. I hope you learned and enjoyed my videos, and if so, please subscribe and show your love. Thank you so much and see you next time.